presenting a pre-owned 2024 Chevrolet Blazer. This four-door SUV has engine with all-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct-drive transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 103 miles per gallon in the city and 88 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include convenience package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power sunroof, and trailer hitch.